Traders, on today's video, as you guys already saw the thumbnail and already saw the topic, I just won't say much, but all I want to do in today's video is to not only educate you guys, but to make sure that I prepare you guys for the coming 2 days that we are going to be having to encounter, which is Thursday and Friday, because we don't trade on Wednesdays in the COT Academy. But before we start the video, happy heritage to everyone. Hope you're having a great one and a lit one, and I hope you're doing all that you have to do. But this is your boy Harlem King COT. Before we start the video, like on the video, share the video, leave a comment on our comment section. Click that link to sign up with the broker that I trade with and how to recommend. Click that subscribe button, and to far most importantly, turn on the notification bell so you can be notified every time we drop fire, educational, forex content. But without further ado, let me not say much. Let me just show you guys and prepare you guys and make sure that I equip you guys for the coming 2 days, because the markets might be looking to be crazy and some pips might need to be catched. And never mind the noises and sounds that you might be hearing on my background. My family is around. Can't stop them from having fun. They can't stop me from putting in the work. Do you guys get that? So, as you guys are all mindful, the first pay that we always work on will forever be the Nasdaq. And on Nasdaq, I just want to let you guys know a few things. That our structure is bullish and our behavior is bullish and our patterns are also bullish. So, with all this three aligned, there's something that I see that needs confirmation before I can share it to you guys. But you can clearly see that Nasdaq had this intraday support and Nasdaq hit this all-time high, right? So obviously from every higher high, price needs a higher low. From every higher low, price needs a higher high. So price had a higher high, and from a higher high, we were looking for a higher low. So what happened from the price pushed to the downside? So from a push to the downside, we anticipated a continuation to the upside. So as you can clearly see that our current price is looking bullish, but with our parent price looking bullish, there's a few things that I need to share to you guys. So you can be mindful of what I'm about to share to you guys on Nasdaq. Nasdaq has a possible head and shoulders reversal pattern that is currently forming. And with a head and shoulders reversal pattern that is forming, that's a high possibility that price might give us a reversal. But we don't confirm as of yet until price gives us confirmation, right? We just won't confirm as of yet until price gives us confirmation, and this confirmation is based on us having to understand that from this left shoulder in a head, so from a head, from a left in a head, you can clearly see that price is in a right shoulder formation. So if a right shoulder formation, if price will give us a right shoulder formation, then all we're going to be focusing on Nasdaq is very simple. We're going to be looking forward for a break below to look for those moves to the downside. But if price will give us a break above our high, then I guess we might look forward anticipation of those possible new moves to the upside. So Nasdaq will be very simple. If price will confirm our head and shoulders pattern, then can we at least get a trade below our neckline? But if price will give us continuations to the upside, can we at least get a break above our higher high with anticipation of possible new all-time highs? But without further ado, second pair, which is gold. So gold, I just won't say much, but as you can clearly understand that gold had a strong push to the upside, and price is now looking forward for this intraday pullback. So if price will now give us a trade above with a push and an exhaustion and a continuation push, then can we at least get price giving us bullish momentum above this intraday zone, or can we at least get price breaking above our higher high with anticipation of possible new all-time highs? But if it happens that price gives us a break below, then I guess we're gonna look for those moves to the downside, and that will be all we're gonna be anticipating. So gold, I just won't say much. If price will give us a reaction on our higher low, then can we at least get bullish momentum above that intraday zone, looking for new possible all-time highs? Or if price will give us a break above our all-time high or our higher high, then can we at least get price trading above that higher high in anticipation of possible new all-time highs? Or if price gives us a break below our intraday lows, then can we at least get that reversal to the downside, looking for those intraday moves to the downside? And that's all we're going to be anticipating. But without further ado, Usdcad gonna be our last trading pair. And as you can see, Usdcad price has hit our TP on Usdcad. I just won't say much. But if you need mentorship and if you need to keep visualized like we always do in the COT Academy page, then I guess you're gonna take the time and the opportunity to take my number, give me a call, give me a WhatsApp, or just click that Instagram link and just give me a DM so I can come to you for 2 days and give you all the gems and all the knowledge that you need so we can have a great trading journey. But without further ado, let me share to you guys what Usdcad might be looking forward to doing and what Usdcad was looking forward that it did, right? So Usdcad, earlier on this week, we had an anticipation that Usdcad, guys, has closed below our major zone. So from price closing below our major zone, we anticipated those moves to the downside. Now that price gave us a trade above our major zone, we anticipated those moves to the upside. So Usdcad, all I can say is price at those highs, right? Price at this zone and price at this highs. So you can clearly see that price is now giving us a reaction on those very same zone. So if price gives us a break, then I guess if price won't give us a break, then I guess we might look forward for those anticipations of price coming back to breaking above our current high. But if we don't get that, then I guess we're gonna wait and see what is Usdcad gonna do. But without further ado, Usdcad, we're just gonna wait for confirmation. Is price gonna continue above our current highs? Looking forward to those new highs. But if we don't get that, then I guess we're gonna wait and see what is price gonna do within the trading week. But without further ado, I appreciate you guys showing love, showing up, and so far most importantly, liking the video, sharing the video, subscribing to the channel, and so far most importantly, clicking the link to sign up with the broker that I trade with and hello recommend. COT Academy is here for you guys, but all you need to do is to put in the work for yourself as much as we put in the work for you guys. But without further ado, this is boy Hello King COT, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next educational video. Bye for now.